5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Now listen and repeat after me. I'm learning many new things.
I'm learning many new things.
Hi, I'm reading a book. What are you doing?
Hi, I'm reading a book.
Nice. What's the book about?
It's about space. I'm learning many new things.
Cool. Are you enjoying it? Yes, I am. It's really fun. I'm Felicia Jaslinata. The thing that I think stood out the most was the way the Kampung English teachers, everyone here delivered their lessons. They are very easygoing and I love how their lessons very engaging. Through learning today, I believe that this learning method will help us gain more confidence in learning English and using English in our daily conversations.
I'm so happy that we can join the program with Kampung Inggris Semarang, and we hope that we can join again in the future.
Will be just fine. Let's go.